Good morning, XR200 lovers. This is my XR200 model 2005. Let's try to start this. Warm up your XR200 every time or before you will drive. Oh, it's hard to start. After a long rain last night, look at my XR200. I warm up 15 minutes this every day. Oh, what's the problem? The electric is so strong, but neither will try this. Turn this off. The fuel cap on, off, and reserve. You choose the off. Then you will try this special weapon, flat screw driver. And then you will find this. Okay, plastic. Then I hope you guess what will I do. Drain the fuel plug. See that? You open it. Open and drain. Drain the excess fuel. Maybe it has dirt inside. Until the last drop, You save the drained fuel to protect the environment.